Hello guys out there. Today in this video we are going to study about the ambiguous grammar. So let's get started to it. Now I am going to show you some information about the ambiguous grammar. But you need to know only one thing. In case of ambiguous grammar, there is a string for which there must be two or more derivation trees, and you must keep in mind this condition should be satisfied, otherwise your grammar is not going to be ambiguous. Now there are other things also. For example, you can see this line: a language that only admits ambiguous grammars is known as inherently ambiguous language. Now types of ambiguous grammar. Now there are basically the four types of ambiguous grammar. The first one is trivial language, the second one is unary string, the third one is addition and subtraction, and the fourth one is dangling else. Now how are you going to recognize an ambiguous grammar? The solution is very easy. Just determine the automation which is accepted by that particular grammar. As you can see, the line shows the context-free grammars are accepted by deterministic push-down automata and can be pressed in linear time. As you can see, one more thing is that unambiguous context-free grammars can be non-deterministic. The point to be noted is that every ambiguous grammar fails to be LR. This point should be noted. Now, this was all regarding theory part. Now I am going to explain you by taking a suitable example. Now in this particular example, you can see there is a grammar. You can see, and this is nothing but a non-terminal symbol, and this whole thing is nothing but the terminal variable, and P stands for the production and S stands for the start symbol. Now you can see a line over here. This is nothing but the production rule according to which we are going to generate this particular string. We can generate this in many ways, but I am going to show you the one I best know. So I am going to start with the symbol, and you can clearly see that there is a line saying that capital S gives capital S plus capital S. Now I am going to replace this symbol with small a, and I will kept this as it is. Now you can see our question has been solved till this far. Now I am going to expand this, not this, this symbol. Now for this I am going to check for what? The production rule. As you can see, capital S gives capital S plus capital S and gives capital S multiplied by capital S and gives A and gives B. So I am going to expand this particular symbol such that it matches my production rule. So you can clearly see above I have expanded as this particular symbol as this, as you can see clearly from the production rule. Now after this I am going to again replace the second symbol with small a, again from the production rule. First we have gone from here to here, then from here to here, then from here to here, and then from here to here. So we are going to replace this particular symbol with small a, and I will let this symbol as it is. At the last step I am going to do is that will be replacing this last symbol with B according to my push down rule. So the string which I needed to be generated is now generated. Thus, at last we can say that the grammar is ambiguous. Thank you.